guys. It's super insane, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys, and it is super cool. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Subway Surfers mod. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on unlimited coins and unlimited keys. So I just turned it on, so let's see if our coins and keys start increasing. So as you can see, we have 1,400 keys and 2,000 coins. So let's see what happens. Alright, no change, but it could come any moment now, guys. So let's see what happens to our Subway Surfers account. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So if you guys are broke, you got to watch this. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So just go to matrixmods.com, and on this site, guys, type in Subway. Press on it, press download, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there. So what you need to do is download 2 of these apps and follow instructions. So like World Winner says download and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Or I could do like DraftKings Casino. Family Island is a game. It says reach level 11. So just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So that's how I get it for your device. This is super cool, guys. Fully works. So if you guys are poor and you can't afford it, now you can have unlimited coins and keys without buying them, which is obviously not really something I want to do, and I don't think you would do it either. So definitely go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's how to get Subway Surfers mod for iOS and Android. So I hope you guys found it useful. It works fine for me. I don't have any issues.